repairs on a 1973 Honda Z50. This is actually my first bike I ever had as a kid in the 80s, so it was used when we got it. And then my uncle found this bike in his shed. It was pretty rusted, so I took some time, took the engine apart, rebuilt the bike. I tried to use all the factory parts. I didn't really replace a lot. So I tried to recondition, polish up chrome, soak the chain, and just trying to put it together and make it how it was. Now this was polished up. It's been sitting out in my wood shop, which is humidity controlled. So a little bit of cleanup. It'll look like it did about 2 years ago when I restored it. So a couple items I'm going to try to do on this. I did restore the throttle assembly. I'm going to try to adjust this again, but it's really kind of hokey. So I might just upgrade this to a modern spring return throttle. This has a little bushing in here. It travels to pull back on the cable. It kind of sticks. So the carburetor, I did restore that. The float is cork, and that was actually broken. I sealed it just to get it running. I'm probably gonna either get a repair kit for the carburetor, or I'm gonna order just an aftermarket carburetor and save this one. Now this still has the original, this is the original engine. All I did was take it apart, clean it up, and then give it a little touch-up paint. It's still points and condenser, and they work. I've considered upgrading those to CDI, which would be, awesome. But something about it, I kind of want to keep it stock and just how it was. So I got the carburetor off, and definitely has a lot of gunk inside the carburetor. It's been sitting for about 2 years in my wood shop. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a dunk in some parts cleaner, let it go for a couple days. And just before I go buy a new carburetor, I don't think they're going to be anywhere near as good of a quality as the original. No plastic parts in this, maybe some O-rings and stuff, but I'm going to give that a shot, and we'll see how that works.